Microsoft Word 2016 Made Easy. A step-by-step guide for PC users. A book by Dr. Harold L. Fisher, Jr. This book was developed through the heartfelt cries of author's students, over the years. Initially, students began to ask for his step-by-step instructional notes. Still other students would ask for both step-by-step notes, along with pictures. After accumulating several notes over the years, the author decided to publish his first two books, a Technology Workbook for Christian Learners, Introduction to Microsoft Office 2010, and a Technology Workbook for Adult Learners, Introduction to Microsoft Office 2010. However, this new book breaks down the content of Microsoft Word 2016, into smaller chunks of information. Chunking is an instructional strategy that involves breaking down information into bite-sized pieces, so the brain can easily digest new information. Our working memory can only hold limited amounts of information at one time. This explains why each chapter in this book is much shorter, and will help to increase the retention of knowledge and skills that you will develop as you progress through the content. Get your copy today.